100 stripes, 100 stars. It's the Pledge of Allegiance on the 4th of July. It's them handwritten letters from home. It's them sleepless nights alone. It's his newborn baby he left with his wife. Mr. Red, White, lay down, here's the line. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, for these stars and stripes. Hey. From the fields of Indiana to the swamps of Louisiana, to the golden coast of California, Uncle Sam's the only family he's got. His purple heartbeat won't stop, and his 18th birthday was the day he was born. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, lay down, here's the light. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, for these stars and stripes. Red, White, and Blue, stand on the front line. Red, White, and Blue, pay the ultimate price. Oh. He was the man of the house when he was born. His family is proud but torn. But if you knew him, you would understand. He was raised on how to be brave, just to see the flag still wave. And then he came home with only one hand. He's Mr. Red, White, and Blue. Lay down, hear the light. Mr. Red, White, and Blue, for these stars and stripes. Stand on the front line. He'll pay the ultimate price. For these stars and
We were here blowing out birthday cakes, riding our bikes, jumping in lakes, feeling butterflies on our first dates, and stealing our old man's beer. We were here back home in the home of the brave, but the brave ain't home, they're in ocean away, doing their job and keeping us safe while we were here. They were there fighting back on the front lines, strapping up their boots before the sunrise, keeping their mamas up all night in fear. They were there in the name of a hometown, of a last name that was passed down. Every day, every night, every moment we were here. They were there. They were there. We were here saying the Pledge of Allegiance, repeating those words, not knowing the meaning, taking for granted all our freedoms in the land of the free. We were here bitching about minimum wage, spreading ourselves in the red and blue states, with that damn hot food on the plate. Yeah, well, we were here. They were there fighting back on the front lines, strapping up their night, yeah, they were there. Some came home in a pine wood box with those stars and stripes on top. They were there fighting back on the front lines, strapping up their boots before the sunrise, keeping their mamas up all night in fear. They were there in the name of a hometown, of a last name that was passed down. Every day, every night, every moment we were here. They were there. They were
Everybody knows when the summer gets hotter, everybody going on down by the water. Chillin'. Everybody's rocking till the clock says midnight. Catch a buzz on a honeysuckle moonlight. Shotguns, girlfriends, coolers full of coke cans. Follow those headlights down a broken fence line, take it to the riverside. Pull 'em through the rain, keep it in the tire road. You wanna find us, wanna go all night, hell yeah, that's right. Follow those headlights. Got a grill and a tea and put on shake. We call that summertime music. Got bottoms up forward, hats on backwards, hitting it hard since they parked them tractors. Hang up on 10 if you can't hear him. If you can't hear him, follow those headlights down a broken fence line, take it to the riverside. Pull 'em through the red dust, keep it in the tire ruts. If you wanna find us, wanna go all night, hell yeah, that's right. Follow those headlights. Keep 'em in the tire run. If you wanna find us, wanna go all night, hell yeah, that's right. Follow those headlights. Follow those headlights.
Sucker punch somebody on the sidewalk, carjacking old lady at a red light, pull a gun on the owner of a liquor store. Think it's cool, act a fool if you like. Cuss out a cop, spit in his face, stomp on the flag and light it up. Yeah, you think you're tough? Try that
stone cold $1,000,000. My green all comes blue collar, and I'm all good with that. This world's been changing, but these folks around here, they ain't been. They all still windshield waving when they slow rolling past. We can live a little higher on the hog, but I don't think that we'd be no better off. Not everybody got that spot out in the 40. Something for birthday shot, hanging like a velvet trophy. Fridays in parking lots, outside of somewhere holy. Not everybody likes this kind of life, but we do know it. Still working hard like my daddy told me. Still keeping low key, still riding high behind them low lanes. If you don't know about this, nowhere you don't know me. Not everybody thinks we got it made, but we do know it. It might be simple, but these two lanes, they're my temple. And that river rolling gentle wash my worries away. I used to hate it, but I travel lots of pavement, and there ain't no better places at the end of the day. So I pass the plate and thank the Lord He put me here, and pray that towns like mine don't ever disappear. Not everybody got that spot out in the 40. Some temples look they shine, hanging like a velvet trophy. Fridays in parking lots, outside of somewhere holy. Not everybody likes this kind of life, but we do know it. Still working hard like my daddy told me. Still keeping low key, still riding high behind them low lanes. If you don't know about this, nowhere you don't know me. Not everybody thinks we got it made, but we do know it. But we do know it. Not everybody takes off their hat, stands for the flag that the boys overseas got on their sleeves. Not everybody dies where the corn takes a field full of corn, turns it into whiskey. Stay with me, yeah, we do know it. Not everybody got that spot out in the 40. Something for birthday shot, hanging like a velvet trophy. Fridays in parking lots, outside of somewhere holy. Not everybody likes this kind of life, but we do know it. Still working hard like my daddy told me. Still keeping low key, still riding high behind them low lanes. If you don't know about this, nowhere you don't know me. Not everybody thinks we got it made, but we do know it. Not everybody got that spot out in the 40. Fridays in parking lots, outside of somewhere holy. Not everybody likes this kind of life, but we do know it. Wouldn't trade this holler for a stone cold $1,000,000. My green all comes blue collar, and I'm all good with that. This world's been changing, but these folks around here, they ain't been. They all still windshield waving when they slow rolling